Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, let's keep it simple. What is cybersecurity all about? So without further ado, let's get right into it. You know we're going dark. A successful cybersecurity approach has multiple layers of protection spread across the computers, networks, programs, or data that one intends to keep safe. In an organization, the people, processes, and technology must all complement one another to create an effective defense from cyber attacks. A unified threat management systems can automate integrations across select Cisco security products and accelerate key security operations functions, right? We have detection, investigation, and remediation. There's a people component of it. Users must understand and comply with basic data security principles like choosing strong passwords, being wary of attachments in an email, and backing up data. So there is that's that people process of it, right? I mean, the people component. Now there's the processes component of it, right? The processes. Stay with me. The processes, okay? Please hit that subscribe button, by the way. Hit that subscribe button. Processes. Now, organizations must have a framework for how they deal with both attempted and successful cyber attacks. One well-respected framework can guide you. It explains how you can identify attacks, protect systems, detect and respond to threats, and recover from successful attacks. Here is a very important component called technology. Now, technology is essential to giving organizations and individuals the computer security tools needed to protect themselves from cyber attacks. Three main entities must be protected: endpoint devices like computers, smart devices and routers, which is the networks, and then cloud. Common technology used to protect these entities include next-generation firewalls, DNS filtering, malware protection, antivirus software, and email security solutions. And we're going to talk a little bit about, something email related in terms of cybersecurity. So why is cybersecurity important, right? In today's connected world, everyone benefits from advanced cyber defense programs. At an individual level, a cybersecurity attack can result in everything from identity theft to extortion attempts to the loss of important data like family photos. Everyone relies on critical infrastructure like power plants, hospitals, and financial service companies. Securing these and other organizations is essential to keeping our society functioning. Everyone also benefits from the work of cyber threat researchers, like the team of 250 threat researchers at Talos, who investigate new and emerging threats and cyber attack strategies, right? They reveal new vulnerabilities, educate the public on the importance of cybersecurity, and strengthen open source tools. Their work makes the internet safer for everyone. Now that we've gone over some of the intro basics, let's talk about some of the cybersecurity threats, which is, one of them is phishing, which is the practice of sending fraudulent emails that resemble emails from reputable sources. The aim is to steal sensitive data like credit card numbers and login information. Next, we have social engineering, which is a tactic that adversaries use to trick you into revealing sensitive information. They can solicit a monetary payment or gain access to your confidential data. Next, we have ransomware, which is a type of malicious software. It is designed to extort money by blocking access to files or the computer system until the ransom is paid. And last but not least, we have malware, which is a type of software designed to gain unauthorized access or to cause damage to a computer. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment section. I'll make more of these cybersecurity for beginners videos because we all, including myself, there's no when it comes to cybersecurity, there's never a point where you just know everything about everything, because the landscape keep changing, right? There are news, there are updates, hackers find new ways to find a vulnerability in something. So it's kind of like something that is, it's fluid, it's constantly changing, it's constantly evolving, and let's learn together, right? Let's learn together. No one knows everything about everything. We start somewhere, and once you get involved, it's like somewhat addicting to learn more and more and more. So please let me know what you think in the comment section below. I appreciate your viewership. Please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button because our goal is 10,000 subscribers, okay? So I appreciate your viewership and see you on the next video.